How to find draft videos on YouTube. First, open up the YouTube app on your mobile. It may be an iPhone or Android. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to record a quick little video. To read a video, at the bottom of the screen, click on the plus icon. Click on the shutter button and record a video. At the top left corner of the screen, click on the cross mark. Here, you can see two options as Start Again or Save as Draft. Click on Save as a Draft. Now you can see a confirmation message that says Draft Saved. To find the draft video, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the plus icon. Again, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see an option named Drafts. Click on it. So now you can see all the drafts videos that have been saved in the YouTube app. To delete a specific draft, click on the three dots at the top right and click on Delete, and that's it.